Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. Mistakes are always forgivable, if one has the courage to admit them. Defeat is a state of mind. No one is ever defeated until defeat has been accepted as a reality. A goal is not always meant to be reached, it often serves simply as something to aim at. Those who are unaware they are walking in darkness will never seek the light. To hell with circumstances, I create opportunities. Absorb what is useful, discard what is not, add what is uniquely your own. See also. Learning is never cumulative, it is a movement of knowing which has no beginning and no end. Do not pray for an easy life, pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. I'm not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you're not in this world to live up to mine. Don't fear failure. Not failure, but low aim, is the crime. In great attempts it is glorious even to fail. A wise man can learn more from a foolish question than a fool can learn from a wise answer. Be happy, but never satisfied.